Today I'm going to walk you through some new templates that I've created that you can download for free. You just have to sign up as part of the dojo here. But if you come into learningdojo.ninja and then you go into downloads here, over the past little while I've created a lot of different templates during my YouTube videos. So I've created templates on how to create an 80s arcade game. I've created templates on how to create like an email inbox simulator and other things like that. And I wanted to take those templates and I wanted to make them reusable. That's kind of in my DNA, is to make things reusable and to allow you to download them and make them so you could basically take advantage of them however you want. So that is what I've done with these templates, and I want to continue to build more. So what I do here is I have a couple of the different templates available here. I did talk last week about how to use my storyline and JavaScript Claude skill. You can check out that video here. But there's other things like the inbox simulator, the arcade game, and the hot or not game. So I'm going to do the arcade game. I do have a previous blog post that is talking about the hot or not game, but I'm going to download this arcade game. So in this arcade game, let's go ahead and unzip it. So you have to right click and extract the zip here if you're on Windows. And inside of here, it does have two Word documents. The first Word document talks about different settings that you can put. Then it also has different questions. So we have a question. We also have the possible answers, so A, B, C, and D, and then you choose which answer is correct. So you can go through and fill out all these questions. Now, if you want to add more questions, you just copy from a previous question the tables and you paste it and say question 10, question 11, however many questions you want. It's as flexible as that goes. But I also have a sample Word doc that has a lot of content built in for you. So this just basically shows you how different content was filled out. You don't need to know any code. You don't need to go into the JSON file or anything like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So I did the hot or not in a previous video. So I'll just click on open folder. Let's go to open folder and we'll go to arcade game. Now I'll just go ahead and click on trust arcade game. So I'm going to copy, let me open this folder back up again, but I'm going to copy the name of this Word document because I want to point Claude to that Word document. So I'm going to use typeless here just so I can get voice to text here. Use this Word document to pull in all of the data and update the JSON file with the new questions and information, and then publish this out to SCORM 2004 3rd edition. So you can prompt it to publish it out to whatever version you want, CMI5, 1.2, 2004 3rd edition, or 4th edition as well. So I'll go ahead and just paste in the name of that document. Let's make sure that we add quotes here just so it's clear. And really as simple as that, I don't even need to initially say to publish it. I could actually just do that later and say update the questions first of all and then preview it. But I included that for now, so let's go ahead and just allow that. Now this will take a little bit because it is extracting some of the Word document. It may prompt you several times to allow different things. So always allow or just allow once. And so you just do that a couple of times for this to be able to generate. Okay, so it is done. I did not ask it to preview it. Can you preview this for me? So now it will preview. It's going to start what's called a local server because it's extracting files. It is basically a server is a website. So it's going to be just something that is local with these files here, and it will allow you to preview it. It's going to ask me to allow a couple of different times again. I'm going to click on open here, and you can see there we have our interaction here. So I'll click on insert coin. And then we have our questions. Now I want to go in and double check that this is actually, okay, so yeah, that is our question. So it has updated with all the questions, and there we go. So as simple as that, we're able to fill out the Word document, ask it to extract the Word document, and fill out all the questions based on that. So all of the different settings, all you have to do is basically fill out the Word document. Then you can take this, and because I asked it to publish it to SCORM, you can basically take this and inside of the publish folder is your SCORM 2004 3rd edition. This was published at 10/28. I don't know if it published every single thing. No, this was July 13th. And so I want to grab the one that was just published. You can ask it to publish it to all versions, but it just has all versions in there to begin with. Now I can just come into my LMS and upload it to my LMS. I'm going to get rid of a previous one here. With a free version of SCORM Cloud, it just allows for 3 courses there. So I have to often delete some of my old courses. But let's upload this and just make sure it's reporting over here. Let's click launch here, and there we go. So there is our game. Let me answer a couple of questions. level complete, and so forth. Pretty much you can take this game, fill out the questions inside of the Word document, have it update the game just by asking it to update the game there. You can then preview it. You can then basically ask it to publish it after you preview it to a certain version, CMI5, SCORM 1.2, 2004, 3rd edition or 4th edition, and then you can take that file, upload it to your LMS. I don't know how to make that more simple. So if you like this, let me know what you think. Let me know if there is something that I'm missing as well. Make sure you comment down below as well. If you want to check out more templates, you can head on over to my website by going over to learningdojo.ninja. You can click on downloads. I do have other templates that I'll create videos on. I do already have a video on hot or not, so you can check that out as a members only video. And then I have other videos that will come out for Inbox Simulator as well. You can also check out other blog posts covering everything from A to Z, learning development related. You can check out full courses where I talk about creating a full entire course, including the player and navigation and being able to translate it, other things like that, all inside of Claude Code. I'm going to be creating a similar course on how to do this with ChatGPT, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Or Vibe Coding Fundamentals, JavaScript and Storyline as well. And like I mentioned already, other templates you can download. If you like this video, make sure you head on over to my YouTube channel, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell notification so you get notified of all future videos as they come out. That really helps my channel, allows me to continue to create these videos to reach more learning developers like yourself who want to extend and go beyond what's out of the box inside of these standard e-learning tools. All right, thanks everyone. I'll see you next time.